Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart. Today, we're pitting two popular 3D printers against each other. The ELEGOO Mars 4 MSLA 3D printer and the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer. Which one will come out on top? Stay tuned to find out. First up, let's talk about the price. ELEGOO Mars 4 comes in at a wallet-friendly $249, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. Reviewers appreciate its affordability without compromising on quality. On the other hand, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is priced at $479. While it's a bit more of an investment, many users find the extra features and versatility worth the higher cost. When it comes to print quality, the ELEGOO Mars 4 shines with its 7-inch 9K mono LCD and 8520 by 4320 resolution. Reviewers rave about the crisp, intricate details it produces, making it a favorite for those who need high precision. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, with its core XY structure and dual-fan nozzles, offers versatility in handling various materials and nozzle sizes. It may not match the razor-sharp details of the Mars 4, but it still delivers impressive results that many users are happy with. Next, let's look at build volume. The ELEGOO Mars 4 offers a build volume of 153.36 x 77.76 x 175 cubic millimeters, which is sufficient for most hobbyist projects. Reviewers find it adequate for their daily printing needs. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, while not specified in our brief, is implied to have a slightly larger build volume based on user feedback and its higher price point. This makes it a better choice for larger projects. Ease of use is a crucial factor for many buyers. The ELEGOO Mars 4 features a user-friendly 3.5-inch touchscreen that provides real-time progress and model previews. Users appreciate how it simplifies the printing process. However, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M offers one-click automatic printing and can be controlled via the FlashMaker app. This convenience, combined with automatic bed leveling, makes it a hit among users who prefer a hassle-free experience. Customer support and warranty are essential considerations. ELEGOO provides a 24-hour response time from their technical support team, which users find satisfactory. FLASHFORGE, however, goes a step further with a 1-month free return and exchange policy, a 1-year warranty, and a 12-hour response time. Reviewers appreciate the prompt and helpful support, making it a reliable choice if customer service is a priority for you. Overall, reviews for the ELEGOO Mars 4 highlight its affordability, detailed print quality, and ease of use, making it a favorite among budget-conscious users. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is praised for its feature-rich design, versatility, and exceptional customer support, appealing to those willing to invest a bit more for added convenience and reliability. So who's the winner in this epic showdown? If you're on a budget and want those crisp, detailed prints, the ELEGOO Mars 4 is your best buddy. But if you're all about convenience, speed, and a bit more versatility, then the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M might just be your new BFF. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Stay smart, stay savvy, and happy printing!